Welcome back to another video, traders, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Tesla Trends. I'm TJ. We got a great video for you today, but before we get into that, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's take a look at the chart. Alright, here's the chart for Tesla. We're on a 10-day, 10-minute chart. Just want to talk about Friday really quickly. So it was a fairly good day. The markets were a little inconsistent, but for the most of the day, they were pretty strong. Tesla, after a very strange last candle on Thursday, stayed up for the most part overnight, and in pre-market had a little pop and drop at the open, and then slowly worked its way back up here. Then at the end of the day, markets kind of just tanked off. Sometimes you see that on Fridays, especially going into a long weekend like this one. I'm not too concerned with this, just because overall it was a good day. We're making higher highs and higher lows, and today is the first day, or Friday at least was the first day since we've broken back above 619 that we didn't have to go back down and test it. We stayed up. The low for the day was above 622, and we made a new recent high around 635. I'll just show you the NASDAQ and S&P charts real quickly. Very closely mirroring Tesla. Tesla may be showing a little bit more strength than the S&P. It dropped significantly at the open, had a similar comeback throughout most of the day, and a very similar last candle, just dropping down to make a low of the day just before the close. Interesting, but like I said, I attribute that to this extended weekend. Sometimes you'll get that kind of action. NASDAQ was a little bit different, hitting a peak in the afternoon and having a slightly more gradual sell-off, but again, they did have their low of the day right around that last candle as well. But it looks like they're holding above this 33.70 support, which is really the key for me. Again, higher highs, higher lows. They're getting back towards their growth channel as well. So last thing I want to look at here, just another time period on the Tesla chart. Let's zoom out to a 4-hour, 180-day chart. So it was a few weeks ago, around May 10th, that we just kind of fell off of this cliff at the open. I believe the market was pretty weak that day, but not weak enough to explain this kind of a drop. And we just fell straight down from 669 all the way to this new support level around 578. And it was pretty much 20 days almost since that drop that we've been below these levels, and now only the last 3 days of last week getting back above 619. So I think it wouldn't be crazy to think that we see sort of the opposite of this on the recovery side of things. Now again, typically you'll see just a slow build, but because of where some of these extensions are, and because of what we've seen just in the past around these levels, I wouldn't be surprised if we see another candle like this one day, just from this 619 all the way straight up, or basically the inverse of what we saw in the drop here. So as long as we see strength, historically, I was looking at sentiments, and this week coming up, I believe 78% of the time over the last 10 years has been a positive week for the S&P. I don't want to read too much into that, but I'd like to think the market's going to be strong this week, and I think it's possible that we could get this push all the way back up here. But I've been waiting for this kind of a bounce for a long time. Maybe it's just wishful thinking, but that's kind of what I'm looking for now. After this drop and lull, we've sort of consolidated enough that I wouldn't be surprised by a really big pop back up to the 669 level. So hope to see that in the coming weeks. Certainly we'll be watching the indexes for direction before making a move, though. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. It really helps out the channel with the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe if you enjoy my content. I make new videos almost every single day looking at Tesla's chart, so if you like Tesla and you like my analysis, please subscribe. If you want to see more of my content looking at other stocks, you can check out my main channel. There should be a link coming up on the screen soon. Trading Trends is the name of the channel, and I look at different stocks and do a similar technical analysis over there as well. Please comment below. Let me know what you guys think about this video and your general thoughts on the market in general as well. I love to get your feedback and hear other people's opinions and perspectives. Also, a commenter had requested sort of a pre-market look at Tesla's chart, and I think I might do that tomorrow morning. So subscribe so you don't miss it. Be on the lookout for that. Maybe I'll start looking at the chart obviously around 8 o'clock or so, and try and have a video up around 9 or 9:15, so that you guys just have my early morning impressions pre-market, and hopefully that can maybe give you a little bit of an advantage when you're looking at the chart and making trading decisions throughout the day. But look forward to that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.